I compare a layout designer to a conductor of an orchestra. Their elements are the players with instruments, and they have control over how the sound is presented. The layout designer is responsible for considering placement of all necessary visual elements of the content at hand and really have control over how that content is presented or perceived. So we look at spatial relationship of items and how they work with or against each other. We look at scale. Where does your eye go when you get to a page or a website or an Instagram post? What's the bleed? Is it infinite? Is it a defined space? What are your margins? What's your grid? And looking at color, typography, and photography and how that all harmonizes with the white space. So it's about symbiosis, harmony, and unity. A layout or a cover becomes legendary when it captivates the eye and mind. I do think when something is clear, concise, a little bit of complexity, and also creating something that feels new does create success in the layout design. Every platform has its own function, and therefore they each have to communicate an idea or a message or a story or an article, but each platform has a different level of attention span. So you have to take into mind your overall breadth and tone and use that approach across the board, across platform. If you can create an image that emotionally speaks to your target and you've made them connect with the content somehow, then I feel like it's 100% success. Thinking about type, color, imagery, and the design of a layout all have to work cohesively. Finding that right balance of each of those elements is key, and one can be more powerful than the others. However, it needs to serve a purpose and make sense. And it's really a beautiful thing if you look at those elements separately, they're one thing, but then when you combine them with those other components, it becomes something else.